Hello everyone, and welcome. Have you ever wondered how a simple pill can take away a headache? Or how antibiotics fight off infections? The answer lies in a fascinating field called pharmaceutical biochemistry. Today, we're going to break down what this is, in simple terms. Let's start with the two words. Biochemistry is the chemistry of life. It studies the tiny molecules inside our cells, like proteins, DNA, and enzymes. These molecules run everything in our bodies. The word pharmaceutical is all about medicines or drugs. So, when you put them together, pharmaceutical biochemistry is the study of how drugs interact with the chemistry of our bodies. It's the science behind creating medicines that work at a molecular level. Think of your body as a complex machine with millions of tiny moving parts. When you get sick, it's often because one of these parts is broken or not working correctly. A pharmaceutical biochemist is like a highly specialized mechanic. They figure out exactly which part is broken and then design a special tool, a drug, to fix it. A great way to understand this is the lock and key model. Imagine a disease is caused by a specific protein, which we'll call the lock. This protein is causing a problem. The drug is the key, designed with a unique shape to fit perfectly into that lock. When the key enters the lock, it can either turn it off, stopping the problem, or turn it on, starting a helpful process. This precision is what makes modern medicine so effective. Let's look at some real-world examples. When you take a painkiller like ibuprofen for a headache, you're using pharmaceutical biochemistry. Ibuprofen is a key that blocks an enzyme lock responsible for creating pain signals. No signal, no pain. Antibiotics are another perfect example. Penicillin works by targeting and breaking down the cell walls of bacteria. Human cells don't have these walls, so the drug harms the bacteria without hurting us. Cancer treatments also rely heavily on this science. Many chemotherapy drugs are designed to attack the specific biochemical processes that allow cancer cells to divide and grow uncontrollably. So, what does a pharmaceutical biochemist do all day? They spend a lot of time in the lab. They identify a target in the body related to a disease. Then, they test thousands of chemical compounds to find one that affects that target. Once they find a potential candidate, they modify and perfect it to make it a safe and effective drug. It's a long and careful process that brings new medicines from the lab to the pharmacy. In short, pharmaceutical biochemistry is the fundamental science that powers drug discovery. It connects chemistry and biology to create the medicines that keep us healthy. It's the reason we can treat so many diseases today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more science content. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what topic you'd like to see next. Your support helps a lot. See you in the next video.